There he is. Hi there. Willow, turn around. He's coming. Ah. Ooh. The aquarium knows I'm a sucker for coins.
No, not in this tank. He's just like drifting.
He's just, there he goes. No fishing in here. What do you guys think? A fish is looking at you. Harley, is that fish looking at you?
Staring at me.
He's staring at you. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these turtles. Those are some big fish.
Big catfish.
I see. Looks like they're trying to give each other a kiss. Oh, turtles in love. Either that or saying, get off my log. Huh?
There's one over here. That one looks like a Tootsie Roll. See that one in the back?
Yes.
It looks like a Tootsie Roll. Yeah, that's Dory. Is a clownfish.
This one is called
All the Dories. I mean, like that one. Half purple, half yellow.
No, not that one. There's,
A little bit.
yes, that was cool, but they're like, there's was that right
There it is. There it is.
See it?
Yep.
It is. Trying to, oh, he's not happy about it.
What are the fish doing? That stingray's like, I'm gonna get you. That fat fish is like, leave me alone.
Is there a snake in there?
that's a red-bellied piranha. Red-bellied piranha.
Ashley, did you see the snake? You see the snake?
It's in the tree.
All snake-like.
He looks comfortable up there.
Are you coming back over here? You coming back over?
Dress, Willow.
Come here. Come here.
He likes my dress too.
Oh, come here, kitty.
Who's a good kitty? Come on, Ryan. Come here.
Just a little bit bigger than Sandy, huh?
Oh no.
You can't go inside there, babe. I know he's very pretty, but it's not safe to be near him. It's an animal, babe. Yeah, it's big.
Look at that big cat. Oh, here it comes again. Here it comes.
Don't hit the glass, Harlan. That's not nice. Very pretty.
Yeah.
Very sad, though.
Kind of like a statue. He's staying still.
He's posing, huh?
Get my good side. There it is. Got my good picture? We're on the train.
Good.
Where are we going, Harlan?
We're going to see sharks and other creatures that live in the water.
The Buffalo Bayou rests just beside and behind our property.
There it
The
is.
historic Central Waterworks building, just ahead, was built
there
in
is
the
City
late
of Houston.
1800s. It was used to pump water from the bayou for Houston residents and for the fire stations to utilize. Over the next 100 years, as Houston grew, fresh water became... Welcome to the historic Central Waterworks building.
It said shark-infested waters.
Is now home to 200,000 gallons of seawater.
Oh my gosh!
The top of which we are located is
You see the
approximately
shark?
70
Look, there's one over there.
and the acrylic is over 5 inches thick,
See the one over there in the
supporting
dark?
more than 700 tons of water directly
they're over
over
there.
your head. There are several different species of sharks.
Look up, right there, right there.
The largest of the sharks that you see is the salt tiger shark. These sharks are 10 feet long and weigh over 200 pounds. They are found worldwide and are identifiable by their numerous rows of sharp teeth. The most numerous sharks in our exhibit are brown sharks, which are frequently found off the coast of Galveston. The brown sharks that you see here are approximately
Oh, here's one
5 to
over top of
7
us.
feet in length and are the most aggressive feeders in the exhibit. It is a common misconception that sharks need to constantly move. However, you may notice some sharks resting on the bottom of the exhibit. They are nurse sharks and spend the majority of their time on the ocean
Look at that
floor.
one, look at his
They
nose.
can reach up to 10
Oh, look at that
feet in
guy's nose
length
right there.
and weigh over 200
That's
pounds.
looks like a
The
sword.
most unusual and rare animal located in the tank above you
Wow.
is the sawfish.
The
It is a
sawfish.
ray, not a shark, and can reach
Wow.
over 20 feet in length, weighing over 1,000 pounds.
Here they go. That's so high! Don't put your hands up. Ah! Oh, here it goes. Woo! Yzma, put your hands in the air. Here we go. Asher, we're going high. Look, there's Houston. It's Houston.
Look at the road. See all the cars? Wow. Hi, cars.
Whoa, hi guys.
Mommy, just stop. Go by the tippy over to the
Oh my
Nice
gosh.
breeze.
Look at Houston. What do you guys think?
But I want to go on that ride.
Don't reach over the side.
There they go. Asher and Harlan riding the octopus. Willow's chilling with Mama. So like, don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Visual scan.
Visual scan. Also all clear. Bye. Goodbye. Oh, there they go. Hi. Goodbye. Oh, they're at the top. Hi. Hi. Ah! Love you.
Love you.
Hi, Asher. I see that. Cool shark. Hi, Harlan. Hi, Willow. Hi, Mommy. Hey, boy. How you doing? You enjoying the view? We are here, sitting amongst the monkeys. Oh, he's moving. Oh, he's moving. I'm about to sacrifice you. Asher, what are you doing? You're disrespecting the monkey gods on your phone.
I don't want you going in the water. The waves look like they were really high.
You guys see?
We can't be terribly long at the beach because
Willow.
Sandy's at home waiting for us.
Willow, you see the monkey gods?
I don't have a color.
That's right. You better color a picture for them. What? Okay. It's raining. What do you guys think? Are you scared of the storm? Harlan, I can't hear you.
Okay.
Is it a volcano? I can't hear.
Volcano!
Volcano!
Alright, let's wait. And I have to wait till the end of this particle, okay? But I just want to tell you that that volcano is made with brownie, ice cream, whipped cream, caramel, and chocolate sauce, okay? You're gonna love it, guys.
You don't blow it out. It goes up all by itself.
Maybe you can share this plate. You want to one?
Oh, look at that volcano.
Let me just wait. Let's roll that. They are hot. Be careful.
Okay.
Let me just take this. I'm gonna take this. All right, guys.